Thanks to Kara, and good evening, Turks and Caicos. Kareem Williams has been sentenced to 3 years imprisonment for unlawful carnal knowledge of a 12-year-old girl, an incident in Grand Turk dating back to 2008. He is convicted by a 7-member jury in a trial that commenced on Monday and ended yesterday. The girl became pregnant and she now has a 2-year-old daughter for the now convicted father. It took Providenciales jury hours to return a not guilty verdict on a 6-day trial before Justice Williams for the offense of wounding with intent that carries a maximum penalty of life imprisonment. The juries advised the court that they have not reached any verdict on count 2, which was assault occasioning actual bodily harm, where it is alleged that Jamal Hutchinson shot Dwell Davis with a firearm on the 11th of January 2009 at Horseye Jack's restaurant and bar. Hutchinson was found not guilty of shooting Davis, but when the jury returned a second time on the other counts of assault occasioning actual bodily harm, they found him guilty of hitting Davis with a bottle in his head. Justice Williams adjourned the matter until the 8th of March 2011 for a social service report to determine what is the appropriate punishment for Hutchinson for the lesser charge and the conviction. This offense carries a maximum of 2 years imprisonment. This marks the second firearm case the Crown lost since the year commenced. Lamont Robinson will reappear before the magistrate's court for a preliminary inquiry on the 16th of February this year for charges of robbery filed against him. He is also being charged with inflicting grievous bodily harm. He and another person in connection with an incident that occurred on the 18th of February. He will reappear in court with his co-accused on the 22nd of March 2011 for a preliminary inquiry. He is also charged with handling stolen goods, taking a motor vehicle without authority, attempted burglary, resisting arrest, and dangerous driving. It is alleged that on the 25th of March 2010 on Airport Road, Providenciales, Robinson and his co-accused John Spencer Mizik stole a vehicle and drove to Club Med, burglarized a room, and attempted to burglarize another room before they were chased by security and a high-speed chase pursuit on the Leeward Highway with the police. Items were recovered in the stolen vehicle. Mizik pled guilty to his charges, and he is now serving his sentencing while Robinson awaits his trial. We will continue to follow this case. Well, that does it for tonight's court news. With your court report, I'm Amanda Miller.